Are you planning to start a YouTube channel and wondering what equipment and software are best suited for beginners? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore a comprehensive guide tailored just for you to help you navigate through the exciting yet overwhelming world of YouTube creation. We'll delve into everything from cameras to microphones, tripods, lighting, editing software, and even some additional accessories that could prove handy. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first step of your YouTube journey: choosing the right camera. The first piece of equipment you need to consider is your camera. You may be surprised, but your smartphone can actually be an excellent starting point. Modern smartphones come equipped with superb front and rear cameras. If you're thinking about vlogging, this could be an ideal choice. You'll have a portable, easy-to-use device that can capture high-quality footage right in your pocket. But if you're looking for better video quality and more flexibility, you might want to consider a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. These types of cameras offer a wide array of lenses and settings that can really level up your video production. Some popular models that beginners often lean towards include the Canon EOS M50, the Sony a6400, and the Panasonic Lumix GH5. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, so do your research and see which one aligns best with your filming needs. On the other hand, if you're planning on doing a lot of live streams or simple sit-down videos, a good quality webcam could suffice. Webcams are convenient, easy to set up, and can provide excellent video quality for these types of videos. The Logitech C922 Pro, for example, is a favorite among many for its sharp image quality and affordability. Remember, the best camera for you depends on your specific needs and the type of content you want to create. So take your time, weigh your options, and choose wisely. Now that you've got your camera sorted, let's move on to another crucial aspect: sound. Good sound quality is just as important as good video quality. That's a mantra you'll want to keep in mind as we delve into the world of microphones. There's a wide variety of mics out there, but we'll focus on the types that are most beneficial for beginner YouTubers: lapel or lavalier microphones, shotgun microphones, and USB microphones. Let's start with lapel or lavalier microphones. These are small clip-on microphones that are fantastic for interviews or vlogging. They're discreet, allowing your audience to focus on you and your content, rather than being distracted by a bulky microphone. A popular choice among beginners and professionals alike is the Rode SmartLav Plus. It delivers high-quality audio and is compatible with a wide range of devices. Next, we have shotgun microphones, which are ideal for on-camera use. These mics are designed to capture sound from the direction they're pointed at, which makes them perfect for vlogs, outdoor shoots, or any situation where you need to focus on the sounds directly in front of the camera. The Rode VideoMic Go is a great option here. It's lightweight, doesn't require batteries, and is known for its clear directional audio. Finally, let's talk about USB microphones. These are perfect for voiceovers and podcast-style videos. They're easy to use. Just plug into your computer's USB port and you're good to go. The Blue Yeti is a favorite in this category. It offers exceptional sound quality and multiple pattern selection: cardioid, bidirectional, omnidirectional, and stereo, giving you the versatility to record in ways that would normally need multiple microphones. Remember, the microphone you choose largely depends on the type of content you plan to create. Each microphone has its strengths and is suited to different recording situations, so consider your needs and choose wisely. With your sound setup, the next step is to ensure stable and smooth footage. But we'll get into that in our next scene. For now, remember this: a good microphone can make a world of difference to your videos. It's an investment that's well worth making. So, let's move on to our next topic: stabilization, tripods, and amp gimbals. Stay tuned. Stable footage is key to a professional-looking video, and that's where tripods and gimbals come into play. They're the unsung heroes of the videography world, providing that much-needed stabilization that transforms shaky handheld footage into smooth cinematic shots. A tripod is your trusty companion for static shots. It's like the firm hand that holds your camera steady, ensuring your videos aren't marred by unwanted motion. When choosing a tripod, look for one with adjustable height to accommodate varied shooting scenarios, and a fluid head for smooth panning. These features allow for a range of shots, from wide landscape vistas to detailed close-ups. But what if you're on the move? Enter gimbals. These are stabilizers designed to keep your camera steady even when you're not. Whether you're walking, running, or even dancing, a gimbal ensures your footage remains smooth. They're perfect for capturing those dynamic moments without the jitters. Keep in mind, both tripods and gimbals come in different shapes and sizes to accommodate everything from smartphones to DSLRs, so be sure to select one that matches your filming equipment. Remember, while it might be tempting to rely on your steady hand or a makeshift support, investing in a good tripod or gimbal can dramatically improve the quality of your videos. So, equip yourself with these stabilization warriors and bid goodbye to shaky footage. Now that your footage is stable, let's ensure it's well lit. Good lighting can make a huge difference in your videos. An often overlooked yet crucial aspect of video production is lighting. It can transform your footage from mediocre to professional, enhancing the visual quality and overall mood of your content. Let's start with ring lights. These are popular among beauty vloggers and are known for providing even lighting on the face. They create a soft, flattering light that minimizes shadows and highlights your features. The distinctive circular catch light they produce in the eyes is also a fun touch. Ring lights are versatile and can be used for tutorials, vlogs, or even photography. Next up, we have softbox lights. These are essentially lamps covered with a diffuser, typically a white cloth that spreads the light evenly, reducing harsh shadows. Softbox lights are excellent for indoor shoots, interviews, or any scenario where you want a soft and diffused light that mimics natural daylight. And then we have LED panels. These are portable, adjustable, and great for various shooting environments. They come in different sizes and some even offer color temperature control, allowing you to switch between warm and cool lighting. LED panels are energy efficient and can run on batteries, making them ideal for on-the-go shooting. Remember, the key to good lighting is not just about having the right equipment, but also understanding how to use it. Play around with positioning, intensity, and color temperature until you get the look you want. And don't forget, natural light is a beautiful and cost-effective option when used correctly. With proper lighting, your footage will look great, but to make it perfect, you'll need some editing. So let's move on to the next segment where we'll discuss some popular video editing software. Editing is where you bring your footage to life. So let's delve into the world of editing software. This is the magical realm where you take all your raw footage, your audio, your images, and weave them together into a compelling story. Now, there are a plethora of editing software options out there, but we're going to focus on a few that are especially friendly for beginners. Let's start with the free options. First up, we have iMovie. Exclusively available on Mac, this software is intuitive, user-friendly, and perfect for beginners. It offers a range of basic editing features like cutting, trimming, and splitting clips, adding music and voiceovers, and even some special effects. iMovie may not have all the bells and whistles of some other software, but its simplicity can be a major advantage when you're just starting out. Then there's DaVinci Resolve. This is a more advanced option, but don't let that scare you away. It has a free version that packs a punch, providing high-end editing tools that are often only found in expensive, professional software. DaVinci Resolve is known for its superior color grading and correction features, which can elevate the look of your videos. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the paid options. Adobe Premiere Pro is an industry-standard software used by professionals worldwide. Its comprehensive set of features allows for a high level of customization and control over your edits. Although it might seem daunting at first, there are numerous online tutorials and resources to help you navigate Premiere Pro. Finally, there's Final Cut Pro. This one's exclusive to Mac and is a powerful editing tool used by many professionals. It offers advanced features like multicam editing, 360-degree video editing, and motion graphics. While it comes with a steeper learning curve, it can be a worthwhile investment if you're serious about video editing. Editing can transform your footage, but there are a few more things you'll need to get started. So let's move on to those. There are a few additional items that can make your YouTube journey smoother. Let's talk about them. First up, an external hard drive. Video files can be large and they add up quickly. An external hard drive helps manage storage, keeping your computer running smoothly. It also serves as a backup to protect your work. There's a wide range of options available, with different storage capacities and speeds. Choose one that suits your needs and budget. Next, let's discuss SD cards. These are the unsung heroes of any video recording process. Always have extra high capacity and high speed SD cards on hand. You never want to be in a situation where you've planned and set up a perfect shot, only to realize you're out of storage. Again, there are various options available, so select one that aligns with your camera and storage requirements. Finally, we have the pop filter. If you're recording voiceovers or podcast-style videos, this is a must-have. A pop filter reduces plosive sounds, the pops that occur when you pronounce P and B sounds. It cleans up your audio, making it more pleasant for your audience to listen to. They are usually inexpensive and can make a significant difference to your audio quality. These are just a few accessories that can enhance your YouTube experience. Depending on your specific needs and the type of content you create, you might find other equipment helpful. It could be a green screen for special effects, a teleprompter for scripted content, or a portable charger for on-the-go shooting. It's all about finding what works for you. Now you have all the equipment you need. But before you start filming, there's one more thing to do. Learning to edit can be a bit daunting, but there are plenty of resources to help. As you embark on this exciting journey, remember that you're not alone. The internet is full of editing tutorials, tailored to every experience level and unique style. Platforms like YouTube itself are a goldmine of information, offering step-by-step guides on everything from basic cuts to complex transitions. You can find tutorials specific to your chosen editing software, simplifying the process and making it less overwhelming. But YouTube isn't your only option. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare host comprehensive courses, allowing you to dive deeper into editing techniques. These platforms often include hands-on projects, providing you with practical experience and personalized feedback to improve your skills. So, whether you're mastering the art of storytelling through editing or simply figuring out how to add text to your videos, there's a tutorial out there for you. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and every great editor was once a beginner too. And with that, you're all set to start your YouTube journey. So there you have it, the essential equipment and software to kickstart your YouTube journey. Let's quickly recap. For cameras, you can start with your smartphone, a DSLR or mirrorless camera, or even a webcam, especially for live streams or sit-down videos. When it comes to capturing clear audio, consider lapel or lavalier microphones for interviews and vlogging, shotgun microphones for on-camera use, and USB microphones for voiceovers and podcast-style videos. For stabilization, tripods are essential for static shots, while gimbals are great for shooting smooth cinematic footage. Lighting, another key aspect, can be handled with ring lights for even face lighting, softbox lights for diffuse light, or portable LED panels for various shooting environments. And of course, you'll need editing software with free options like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve, and paid options like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Don't forget the additional accessories, like an external hard drive for managing large video files and extra high-capacity, high-speed SD cards. Before you dive into editing, make sure to watch tutorials specific to your chosen software. Platforms like YouTube itself, Udemy, and Skillshare offer comprehensive lessons. And finally, always stay updated with the latest trends, equipment, and software updates to stay relevant in the ever-evolving world of tech. Remember, while having the right equipment and software is crucial, content is king. Focus on creating engaging and authentic content for your audience. Happy filming!